Now come to the representation of rational number on number line. Okay, so how will we represent the rational number on number line? ठीक है, let's take the example. For example, 1/3 and 3/4. These are the two rational number we have to represent on number line. Okay, first draw the number line. This is the 0. First of all, you should look towards the denominator of the rational number. Here is the 3 is the denominator of rational number 1/3. So start the counting, start the numbering with 1/3. Here 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3 and 3/3 become 1. So this is the 1/3. Here 1 minus 1/3, minus 4/3, minus 5/3 and so on. Okay. Now we have to represent the 3/4 on number line. First of all, you should draw the number line. 0. Just look at the denominator of this rational number. This is the 4. So let's start the 1/4. Okay, that is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4 and here 6/4. And we have to represent the 3/4. This is the 3/4 and this is 4/4, that is the 1. This is the 0, this is the 1. Here is the minus 1/4, minus 2/4, minus 3/4, minus 4/4 and so on. Or this is the minus 1. Okay, this is the 0, this is the 1, this is the minus 1 and your number 3/4 is here. So for representing the rational number on number line, just look at the denominator of the rational number and start the counting according to the denominator. That is, if here is the 4 denominator, then we will start the counting number as 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4 and so on. Okay, this is the representation of rational number on number line. Okay. Now next topic is rational number between two rational numbers. Okay. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay. That is, we have to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, so let's take an example. For example, 2/3 and 5/7. Okay, so we have to find the rational number between 2/3 and 5/7. Okay, there is the two method to find the rational number between two rational numbers. Okay, so we will study about both the method. First method is just find the average of these numbers. Okay, after finding the average of these numbers, you will find the rational number between two rational numbers. That is the rational number average. 2/3 plus 5/7 and divide by 2. This is the average of these two numbers. And after getting the average, here is the 21, 14 plus 15 divide by 2. 14 plus 29 upon 21 into 1/2. So 29 upon 42. This is the rational number between two rational numbers. This number will be present in the mid of these two rational numbers. That is the 29 upon 42. This number will be present at the mid of these two rational numbers. So this is the one rational number between two rational numbers. if you have to find the more than one rational number, then just find the average of these two number and these two number. You will get the number which is present in the mid of these two number, and after getting the average of these two number, you will also get a number which is present mid of these two number. So after finding the average of number and number, you will find the more and more rational number between two rational number. Okay, this is the first method. Now come to the second method. Second method. For example, we have to find the 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. We have to find the rational number between these two rational number. Okay, just look at the denominator and you have to equal the denominator. Okay, just equal the denominator. Here is 3 and 7. First of all, you should find the LCM of the 7 and 3. This is the denominator, this is the denominator. First find the LCM of the denominator. The LCM of 3 and 7, this will be 21. Okay. So multiply the number and get the 3 into 21. ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करिए कि 3 क्या बन जाए, 21 बन जाए. तो अगर हम यहाँ 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, then we should also multiply by 7 in numerator. So 2 into 7 upon 3 into 7. And here we have to multiply the 3 because हमें क्या करना है, 7 को 21 ले जाना है. हमें 3 को भी 21 बनाना है, हमें 7 को भी 21 बनाना है. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमने एलसीएम 21 फाइंड किया है. तो हमें 3 को भी 21 बनाना है और 7 को भी. तो 3 को 21 बनाने के लिए हम 7 किससे 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, और अगर हमने 7 को डिनोमिनेटर से किया तो 7 को यहाँ पे करेंगे. तो ये बन जाएगा हमारा 14 अपॉन 21. और अगर यहाँ पर हमें 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है क्योंकि हमें 7 को 21, तो 3 से यहाँ भी करेंगे और 3 से यहाँ भी करेंगे. तो ये बन जाएगा 15 अपॉन 21. ओके, नाउ हमारा डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया है. ठीक, अब हम क्या करेंगे, अब हमें इन दोनों के बीच में अब हम सेम नंबर से इसे मल्टीप्लाई और करेंगे. मान लो इसको हमने 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, ठीक, या 10 से कर दिया. ठीक, तो 10 से करेंगे तो 14 इंटू 10 अपॉन 221 इंटू 10. तो ये बन जाएगा 140 अपॉन 210. और इधर भी 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, 21 इंटू 10. तो ये बन जाएगा 150 अपॉन 210. ओके, नाउ रेशनल नंबर था 141 अपॉन 210. अब इसके बीच में जितने भी नंबर होंगे 142 अपॉन 210 एंड सो ऑन. तो फर्स्ट हमें क्या करना है, हमें डिनोमिनेटर को इक्वल करना है. उसके बाद जब डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल होगा देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई द सेम नंबर टू इंक्रीज द रेशनल नंबर. हमने यहाँ पहले डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल किया. अब 14 और 15 के बीच में कोई नंबर नहीं है, हमें और नंबर लाने हैं. तो हमने क्या किया, हमने 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. अब 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 140 और 150 बन गया. अब 140 और 150 के बीच में हमें 9 रेशनल नंबर मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से हम क्या करेंगे, रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन टू रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर चैप्टर 1 of class 8 of mathematics. Okay, thank you.